Hi everyone, today we'll be talking about a very interesting vanilla perfume that I have been using and loving, and I wanted to share my review with you guys. This one is called as Bois de Vanille from the brand Le Bois. Now definitely I'm butchering the name, I know for sure, but I will leave it in the captions that you see here so that you can know exactly what this perfume is all about. This is quite a high-end perfume because it is priced for a whopping 7,500 rupees, and this is how it opens up. You can definitely see the dent that I've given here. So this is how the bottle looks like. It's a very heavy and thick glass bottle. You can like literally feel the weight of it, like it's super duper heavy. The cap is metallic, has some texture on it, and this also is very heavy but is not very tightly fit, so you have to be very careful when you're handling this bottle. And the brand details are like mentioned on the bottle here itself, and then you can see the gorgeous juice color. Like this color is so deep and dark and exactly represents the perfume that's in here. Now this perfume is a very warm bakery like vanilla, which is also balanced by hints of floral nuances and some freshness. Opens up with some Casey's buds and bergamot. Trust me, this does not have any citrusiness going on. Like it's just adding some freshness in this perfume. Then has some solar notes and some rose. I also definitely get hints of saffron in this perfume. And in the base is where all the magic is happening because it has vanilla, coconut and amber. This is where everything gets creamier, everything gets very sweet and warm and kind of like a very cozy, warm hug kind of a scent. That I find this to be perfect unisex fragrance. It's very well balanced and something that I can wear all year around. Trust me when I say this, I really control to not wear this every single day, because this is such a nice scent profile that it just calls my name, and I just have to control myself to not use it every single day because it's very expensive. 7,500 is a very expensive deal, but for the juice, wow, this is a wow fragrance. Okay, longevity of 7 to 8 hours, and it keeps projecting for those 7 hours in terms of good wisp, creates a good scent bubble around me, and definitely makes me smell like a walking snack. Though it is expensive, but still my rating on this one is a 10 out of 10 because I love the scent profile. I know that this price point is not for everyone, but the quality of the juice just kind of justifies what it is, and I really hope that some Indian brand or maybe some dupe house kind of creates like a dupe for this one. I absolutely love this one and I do recommend it.